Hi Boomers, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show. I'm Bertrand. Now, this is the second episode in the series on how to use your Samsung Galaxy phone. So in today's episode, we're going to make your Samsung Galaxy phone truly yours. We'll cover how to set up Wi-Fi, how to sign in with your Google account, how to customize your home screen, and add wallpaper and ringtones. Now first, let's connect your phone to your Wi-Fi, and this will help you to download apps, browse the web, and stay connected. To connect your Wi-Fi, all you need to do is go to settings, and then you go to down where it says connections and Wi-Fi, and you tap on Wi-Fi, and you make sure that you tap this on, and it's going to show you all of the Wi-Fi connections in your network. So you choose the one that you want to use. Now the one that I'm going to choose, of course, is already connected to SuperTrain, but I would choose, if I had another Wi-Fi connection, one of these, I would just simply tap on it and it would automatically pop up, and then I simply put my password in, and then you would be connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so now next, let's sign in with your Google account. This is essential for downloading apps and using Google services like Gmail and Google Photos. So to do that, you want to go to your settings card and tap on it. And then you want to scroll down to where it says Accounts and Backup. Tap on it. Now you want to tap on where it says Manage Accounts. Tap on it. Now you want to choose down at the bottom where it says Add Accounts to add an account. Now the account that we want to add is a Google account, so we'll tap Google. It's going to check the information. Now you want to enter the email address that you want to add the account for. Hit next. Now you want to enter the password. Now it's going to tell me to open up my YouTube on my iPad to verify this account. Tap Yes, it's me, and voila, now I have added a Gmail account, which means I can get my Gmail and my Google Photos or other Google service. Now let's personalize your home screen. You can add widgets, you can move apps around, you can create folders to keep everything organized. Now, first of all, to add a widget. To add a widget, you simply tap the center of the screen and hold it. Now you go down to the bottom where it says Widgets and you tap on it. Now you'll notice that various widgets will come up. Now, first of all, the widget will tell you the size. For example, you see Chrome shortcuts. This is a 3x1. The quick actions, that would be a 3x2, and the bookmarks, that would be a 3x2. But now you can scroll down and you can find various widgets for different apps that you have on the phone. So let's go with one from Google. So you'll know under Google you have 5 widgets here. So you tap the down arrow and it shows you all the different widgets. A 2x2, at a glance, Google, and you can choose which one you want. So for example, I'm going to choose the financial widget. So I'll tap that, hold it in place. Now you notice that widget is on the screen. Now you can do this for any widgets or apps that you have on your phone. Just simply add it. Now next, let's look at how to move apps. To move an app is very simple. You just tap and hold the app. And now you can move it anywhere you want to on the screen. Simply tap and hold and move it. Now, if you want to create a folder, Say I want to add Facebook with YouTube. It's very simple. You tap your Facebook and you drag it on top of your YouTube app, and now you create a folder. Now you can give this folder a name. I'll call this Fun. And voila, I have created a folder. I gave it a name, call it Fun. And you can take this folder again and you can move it anywhere you want to on the screen. Okay, so now let's see if we can create some personalized wallpapers. And to do that, again, it's very simple. You take your finger and you hold it on the screen, and you'll notice that this will come up. This screen will come up. You go down to the bottom and you tap on Wallpaper and Style. Tap that. Now you can tap Change Wallpaper by tapping Change Wallpaper, and you have all of the featured wallpapers that comes with the phone. You can easily change it to one of those. For example, if I wanted to change to this one, I would tap on it, and now I have an option. I can go both lock screen and home screen, which means that the wallpaper will be on the lock screen and the home screen, or I can do one or the other and tap next. Now when you get to this screen, there's some things that you can do. We'll just touch on it for just a quick minute here. You can change the clock face by tapping it. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change the font size. You can change it to something thicker or even thicker, or thinner, or even the thickest. Now you can also change the style of the clock. You can go no clock. You can go this type, this type, this type, this type, this type. You can even change the color if you want to by going down at the bottom and choosing a color, and it will change the typeface on the clock. And when you're finished, you hit done. Now that's what my home screen is going to look like, and you'll notice now that wallpaper is there. So next up, what we want to do is we want to add a ringtone for the phone. So when someone calls, we will have a distinguished ringtone that we can recognize. To do that, so you tap on settings, and then you go down to where it says sound and vibration and tap on it. Now you tap on ringtone. Now here you have a plethora of ringtones that you can choose. And if you just simply tap on it, it will give you an idea of what the ringtone sounds like. Now you have your basic ones, or you can go down and you can tap something just a little bit more extensive, like calm. Or you can go down and you can even do retro. And go back, so that will, now I have a ringtone that will be a retro neon ringtone. And there you have it. Your Samsung Galaxy phone is now personalized and set up in just the way you like it. Now, join us next time on the Boomers Tech Show, where we'll dive into mastering the Samsung keyboard. Now, if you like this video and you learned something, you might want to look at this video right here, because it'll teach you something else about your Samsung phone.